Welcome to gym class. Today we're talking about genetic limitations. Now, genetic limitations are something that have been talked about for a very long time. It's the genetic limit of muscle that you can actually put on your body based upon your genetic code. A lot of people say this is bullshit. A lot of people say this is a real thing. A lot of the measurements for this that you'll find on Google depend on your age, your height, and your fucking wrist size for whatever reason. Let's look into the facts. All right. So your genetic limitations for how much muscle you can build. I don't know that you're going to find any actual proof. I don't know that there is actually a geneticist who has spent enough time trying to figure this out. There may be a couple obscure articles that you would find. I haven't personally found any. I'm sure someone else will find them, or find one, something. There's bound to be something in there. I haven't personally found any. So your genetic limitations are something that personally I don't think you should worry about, but we'll talk about it. So let's break down what actually causes muscle growth. When you work out, you tear small fibers in the muscle group that you are currently abusing, let's say, because that's kind of what you're doing. So you're tearing small fibers in that. Your body rushes water and blood and nutrients, which are in the blood, to that muscle group to aid in rebuilding. Your body freaks out, something is damaged internally, we gotta repair it. You can't say that someone's body cannot repair itself versus another. Genetically, some people are larger than other. I mean, look at the fucking mountain. I mean, there may be some other stuff in there, but steroids don't make you 6'9". They don't. So what I'm saying is that genetic limitations may not actually be a thing. I'm not a fucking scientist. I can't say it's not. I can't say it is. So don't worry about it. You know, most of the questions that come from people that are asking about genetic limitations are people who have been lifting less than a couple of years. If there is genetic limitations, you haven't fucking reached it yet. Don't worry about it. Go in the gym and lift and have a good time. Enjoy it. Get as big as genetically possible. And if you have the balls and the money, do steroids. If you're not happy with how much muscle your body can put on, then seek other forms. But genetic limitations are something that should not be worried about. All right? Maybe it's a real thing, maybe it's not. If you're doing a good program and you hit a plateau, that's not your genetic limitations. That is your body responding negatively to the workout that you're currently doing, or the one that you have been doing for a year or 6 months or whatever. Switch it up. Do something different. Muscle memory may or may not be a thing. But if your body responds negatively to something after so long, change it. Your body is really responsive. If it's telling you something, listen to it. Do something different. If you're tired of doing strength training, your joints hurt, and you just don't want to squat anymore, go run. And not on a treadmill, go outside. I guarantee you there's a park near you. Exercise is good for you, no matter the form. But do your research and don't believe the hype. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. New videos regularly.